First of all, President, the people you are seeing here are just officials. This meeting was not yet opened to the public. I want to believe that the day we are going to come to hold a public meeting that is open to the public, you will not see these numbers. Basam Dizumi and Andaguganana HH. He is on record trying to call for early elections. I want to tell him actually he should change his language. Let him call for a postponement of elections, because clearly he's not ready for an election. That childish behavior in a democratic society should not be permitted. So Vayabantumba Tuma Utubabole to try and destabilize the meeting for MMD. We condemn that in the spirit and the name of democracy. That behavior should not be tolerated. And the MMD does not tolerate that undemocratic behavior regardless of where it is coming from. Whether it is coming from UPND or it comes even from our friends that were working with the PF, we don't tolerate that. And we want to condemn that behavior. And we want to applaud the police for their prompt intervention, and that is what is expected, for them to be professional and intervene when people misbehave. Ngabagwamba kuti kuno mwabola kumonze mwelete kuromba kuri ba UPND kutumbe a meeting ino mbani ba UPND kuno mbebangabamba kuti ko bazulirwa kuno ino mbebona kati ndahezulirwa ko kuno kumonze. I think your behavior, let's condemn it, and we condemn it. Mr. President, we have work to do. Today we are going to give an opportunity to our members in Monze and our officials to start slowly but sure a process of renewing the cards for our members and our officials. We are definitely going to come for a big do very soon. Tukaji hane kumwi somewhere, but wanda kutiba president wanda tuwachiteka tionko kuli kumonze. Akakanzi. Tuyakubola tukaji hane kumogo, so that ababali bole dewawa wabatuma ayakujiswa idea. Kambo baloba bona kube kuno kuna ku Southern Province kulibo UPND. Kuna gwalo ngu bedroom wa MMD. Kambo bocha kuti bantu bakalire de not watereka kubabusha. Ndara radio ino batangu nde kubola ku radio ati batereka uchita yabuyanga ku radio koya. Amana kuzokoya babola ko kuno. Mu 2021 tuyakubatondeya. Kuti kuno ku Southern Province agwalongo bedroom wa nini wa MMD wanzi. So bonse baba MMD bakaunka muimbi ndanda kumulomba sunu kumutalika kuti ani kunka kubatobera kuti kamulanga inka mujuma kaunka kumwaka unka inyina twakaba how many times chance kuti baimikire
10 times.
How many times? Baide kuluza te. Onoswebo MMD twakasola once mu 1990. Twauma pa olilo kaunda wawa. Twakala mu hulumende for 20 years. Amana mu 2011 and so chitana kakanjira butu tukaide kugambwa bo kanji. But tatunaunka kuma election by MMD. After 2011, we have never properly participated in any election.
We know that.
Because we are still looking at the books of 1990, 1991 on how they dribbled and When we finish looking at the books, then we'll tell you. Isn't it, Mr. President? We are still looking at the books. Tiangana pamabu, tulanganzi, butuanyi hamuliri, munainte wantegai, but inchi to yandiga, kuberegeha, ababa mutati, balazunguga jalo, Jisi Johnson. The president is going around the country. He was here in Southern Province. Has been to other places. His efforts will be in vain if we don't work hard. Kukuzunguruga kotu zunguruga. Jinyinga mpindu. Na nywe tamuberiki ansi mulindirabo kuti bakabole bagatu tswaye ndizanga watu patuma logistics. Na mbotu bereka mweme mudita tukasiki nkoto ede kutiani kusiga. So jipati to ede kutiani kubereka nguzu yonse. So that wamana kubara tumabuku tuyatwa 1990-91. Tuwabona formula mbuya kawe dead. Atuma heta mbubali kunyuha. Then ninga tuwabola utubasa tubone tunjile mufiwe. Tegai. MMD woye. MMD woye. Wa President. Wali wa Minister of Finance. Wa President wali wa Minister of Commerce. Wa President wali wa Minister of Energy. So bali mboye enda hurumende tega hii. Songa tobambi na mapenzi ngitwa jana kunokuma kumonze am Southern Province. So that baabweze mapenzi balayi bakwa batiga ato bati atole. Wa President kuno twajana kuti kuli penzi ya gudia. There is a problem of food because of the drought. There is also a problem of livestock, ngombe. Hatalika kuhua kamba utimenda atiani ayuma. Unawa President, there is an effort that government is making to distribute relief maize. But unfortunately, relief maize at the moment is still being distributed from the central place. And people are saying, is there a way that you can find a solution through your colleagues that maize is taken near where the people are? Because come and get relief maize from the town Monze is expensive. People are already hungry. That's one of the cries that were found in Monze. Number two, Mr. President, is that there are people who even can afford to buy their own maize. They are not looking for relief maize. They have a bit of money that they can buy. But the maize to buy is also at a distance. Is there a way that the maize can be carried at the expense of government to near where the people are so that they can buy for themselves? Those are some of the problems that the people are facing. So if MMD turangama problems agu so vataturangi inkondo ndiza tunjire munkondo pepe. So tutwabolera kuzwa kuseni twalikubuya ino mapenzi ninzi. Mbobu songo bwa MMD. Not kubola kwa kuno kwa inkondo. So President ngama problems kutwa jana kuno. So that you can solve that problem. Because MMD will not wait for it to get into government to solve problems. We'll start solving the problems now so that community enda kusokolo kwa wazazi wa Momenti Chitrabe. MMD woye! MMD woye! This is a receipt, a book, and the cards. But you speak with the secretary to give you all the necessary details. MMD woye! MMD woye! So, since Jinde Kunyina, those are the few words I wanted, Mr. President, to share with you and share with your people. And I want at this particular point to take this singular honor to invite you to address your people.
Yeah. MMD oye! MMD oye! Southern Province oye! National Secretary, you are right. We have work to do. We have work to do in Southern Province. We didn't come here today to break ground. We came here today to awaken the original MMD, the MMD born of Munkombwe, the MMD born of Sejani, the Nkumbula, the MMD born of Mwinga. This place has always been the engine of MMD. Let us not, as a party, blame others for the problems that we've got. Let's look inside and say, what is it that we must do in order to awaken MMD? We may have made mistakes as a party, but we have learned from our mistakes. Never again shall we fall down again. As we rebuild our big party, we took a decision as national executive that we need to refresh ourselves. We'll begin to conduct elections. We'll begin to conduct elections from the bottom, starting from the very, very bottom, ending into a national convention next year. And let me assure you that all the position, from the president to all the membership, will be available to be contested. So all those that have got the appetite and desire to be presidents of MMD, let them turn up next year at the Mulungu Shiroko Authority and make themselves available to contest the elections. I'll also be available to contest those elections. Because that's what democracy is about, isn't it? Yes. If I lose, I shall accept. And if you lose, you should also accept. We don't want to go to court again. We are Twapenga. We only have one MMD. There is no faction about MMD. The MMD that we've got is the one that was at the convention in 2016. I just also want to emphasize one point, that we have got this issue of constitutional amendment. I say to you, our interest as the party MMD is that we want to eliminate by-elections. Because by-elections are expensive. And that is why we want to ensure that the amendments around by-elections are seen through. So, National Secretary, as we prepare our submissions, if there's any point of emphasis, it is to eliminate the issue of by-elections. That, for us, is important. So that for 5 years, let's focus the resource on developing the country. National Secretary has said, it will not do for only the president to continue to tour Zambia. So the task, National Secretary, is that what is it that we are going to do as a party? Over and above the tours of the president and some members of NEC, for our people on the ground to be able to begin begin to make a difference, for our people on the ground to begin to be counted. Whatever resource we have got as a party, let's invest it in the people and not the National Executive Committee. Only a little money can make a difference here in Monze, in Momba and in Wengwa. Just a little money, these people can be able to bring you members and members and members. So we need to devise a system where we give those that bring members. The more you bring, the more you get. That is the way we are going to build this party. Alabonse bale twangasha. Ayamba pate yele twangasha. Bale mona kwati na limoto alishipula. Bale mona kwati tualipwa. Tabe shibo kutila ati ifwe nombolo twaselula bola. Olo twa campaign chito. Konso konde bita abantu balela ndati chirachi MMD twa kwete kwena chalepe mabwino. Monze oye. Wengwa oye. I heard even Mazapuka oye. Alomo oye. Momba oye. And Livingstone oye. I've got a friend of mine here who's been itching to just say one word. I'll allow you to say one word.
Ndime komponi ndime haji bamba. Ndakari kumusoko ya abanyama kwindaka kuyana baromona mabinga banyama menda binga manu. Mutati Felix Mutati. Aga Felix Mutati ntandalumba. Ndalumba bantu bankoto. Undahwana stage Mutati. Ndazanda kuti ndaunka komanda. Ivana baka kuterere kuti ndali kumaka pen. Igwa Mutati. Felix Mutati ntandalumba. Ndalomba ndawakumatenda ako ndakiumaka suko ndatalika ukumwa mpampa wana lebo ntuwale chiyonse iliko kundalumba 150 ndalumba bana bangu kumanda ntabawa inzala ntuwale siyonse intandalo ibusu bulatula intaga mulanga ibusu poko njira hano intabulatula inta ibusu ndaunka kulya balamba ngo 150 ngo 180 Mutati Felix Mutati uzamba mu yakonjira munganda ambira mugatuye no bajende nime komponi nime haji bamba ndakari kumusoko y'abanyama.